Main Street Motors is offering this 1963 MG Midget. This has the original 4-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. It has nice bright red paint, black interior. Interior looks pretty fresh. Not sure how old the paint is, but it does look good. Tires are new. The engine was gone through by a previous owner, and it has recently been resealed, regasketed, no leaks. It's got a nice paint job. There is no top with this car, so it's just a straight roadster, no soft top, no frame. What you see is what you get. I'm gonna start it up here for you. Runs good. I must have hit the turn signal in there. I see it. See it there. At least you see it's working. Open the hood, reach way under here for the bonnet. Main Street Motors is located in Denison, Texas. You can reach us at 903-416-9191. Thanks for watching our video.